Here at Stephens Gaskets Limited, we use ISO 9001 management system. By using this system, it allows us to quality check at all stages, from receipt of order, through to receipt of raw materials, through to first off, hourly checks, inspections that come off the machine, followed by final inspection in our warehouse, prior to dispatch. Everything is full traceability with inspection reports. We can offer ISIRs, PSWs, PPAP level 3s for our automotive customers, for example. In order to maintain high standards and to keep our regular contract customers, we need to offer full batch traceability in case any issues were to arise at any point, not that they do, but if they do, we have full traceability from raw material all the way through to final manufacture, even including heat treatment or plating. Everything is documented and filed.